Hey, hello, and welcome or welcome back. And what you're looking at right here is a scene I've got running in Godot. And because I'm thinking about switching my fishing game over to Godot. And this is one of the reasons why. Okay. Look how nice this looks. Oh my God. I mean, if you compare this to what you're seeing in my Unity project, and there's not even a terrain yet for the outside of the lake, it's just the water and the sky. Oh my goodness. Does it look nice? Even the water is looking better, and I made that in like 5 minutes off a tutorial. That's not a shader or anything. It's just manipulating stuff on a material that you create with the click of a button. You don't have to write any shaders or anything like that. It's just it's incredible, and it looks so good. But the reason I started this was that I ran into a problem with Unity where I was deleting projects to reduce the file size of the whole project. I was deleting like some skies and stuff I wasn't using. And some of them, when I imported, they had, package dependencies. And that screwed me up when I deleted them. And the game's been screwed up since. And really, my only option would be, if I wanted to keep doing it in Unity, would be to start a brand new project and bring every asset over one by one and just kind of start it over without. But I mean, even though my code is written and I've got the assets, it's still a lot of work to bring them all in like I did and, assign them to everything. And, I didn't like it that I wasn't able to just, fix it by, um, restoring the URP renderer settings thing. But whatever, because like I said, it inspired me to do this scene in Godot, and wow, it looks good. And this scene I'm probably going to have as like the menu scene, or maybe the game name will be up here, and I'll have some buttons off to the side here, and you'll just see the boat bobbing around in the water there at sundown, which is so beautiful. I want to be sitting in that boat right now. But yeah, look how good this looks. Forget it's, and I got some volumetric fog here, and looks so good. So yeah, I'm thinking about switching this project to Godot at least to Godot. So, just in my opinion, it looks better. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. You know, does it look better in Godot? I mean, compare it to the Unity one you saw that I made. If you've seen that, if you haven't, go check it out. The fishing one, the game dev. Because if you look at that and then look at this, the difference is just remarkable in how it looks. So well, even the boat, okay, because the boat, when I took it into Unity, the way that the creator made it, um, when I took it into Unity as an FBX, all the materials get screwed up, and it took me hours to get them right. And in Godot here, I brought the boat in, and it took care of everything as a GLB format. It assigned all the materials correctly, and then I just recolored some, but it took me 2 minutes to get the boat in here. So yeah, I think it looks great, and I think I'm going to switch. Let me know if you think I should. All right. And until next time, peace out.